So what you want to look at with gaskets is the profile view. So this gasket is the old one that's all cruddy and perished. Peel it off here. The old one's going to clamp on here, and then the outside's going to go here. Looks like they had it mounted with these drain holes on the outside. I think that makes sense.
Yeah,
so
I think that's
we're going to go ahead and remove this old stuff and clean this up a little bit and put on the new stuff. It's actually not too bad. Pretty clean.
It was very hard to figure out what gaskets went in these doors. We couldn't find any videos. Once I knew what I was looking for, though, I found exactly what we need. And I will link that in the description below so that you can find it as well. Seriously, we looked all over YouTube to try to find the right gasket. I want to show you what the old gasket looks like compared to the new one, because this is the reason our compartment doors were leaking.
This is the old one, all dried up. New one is nice and firm, but resilient. Bounces back. You can see the profile is the same, but this has been squished so that it's permanently like teardrop shaped, when it should be a little bit more rounded and have a little bit more compression to it. It's not totally squished. This is pre-squished. It's not good.
Garbage. That's garbage. We ordered 14 feet of this gasket just so we had a little extra to play with. How much extra do you think we have? Right now it looks like we have about 2 feet extra, but we just wanted to play it safe.
What are you doing here, dear? Are you cutting the crud?
Cutting the crud. Cutting the crud. Dang. Ew.
Crud. Oh yeah, feet fits real nice and snug.
So we're starting with a dry fit, just to kind of get the length figured out.
Get it kind of in the ballpark.
Just trying to clip that metal that's in there.
Yeah. This is not the right tool. But it may just do the job.
There we go.
And then this will sit in better, but this is very good rough length. Let's see how it closes. This will fit a little better. Once that's in there. Oh yeah. Oh, now it actually feels like it's pressing against it, see? Pop right open now.
Mm-hmm. That's super nice. Great.
And we'll clean up those cuts, get the 3M gasket adhesive around there, and then put it back on permanently. As permanently as you can do anything on an RV. Which is semi-permanently. Good. All right.
And that is your handy dandy how-to on putting on this back compartment gasket. It's super easy once you can find the gasket. And I don't want you to have to go through what we had to go through, which was just so much searching. So I'll link it in the description below. And if you have not subscribed to our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell next to it so you'll be notified anytime we release a new video. We've got tons of Airstream stuff coming up. Literally tons. Always. And we thank you for watching. All right. Say goodbye.
See you guys.